I just got the email that my Paradise Fibers packages have been delivered, and guess where they are? Way out there in that mailbox. I'm gonna trudge out there and get it. Be right back. And then this one is gonna be all upset that I'm putting my boots on and he's not gonna get to go. Oh, see, I just said Geo. And this one is okay. He doesn't want to go out in the snow. Welcome to Fiber Love Diary. I'm Trish if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. It is Monday and my Paradise Fibers package just arrived. That means I will be putting off the regular Tuesday video a couple days, probably till Thursday. It's just easier for me to back-to-back them, or not back-to-back them, I should say. This is the channel where I share my fiber arts journey, spinning, dyeing, knitting, crocheting sometimes, weaving. There's a lot of weaving lately, but I still knit a lot. I just can't show you what I'm knitting a lot of the time because right now I'm working on test knitting for moderation for Super Sock World Championship. That starts close to the end of Sock Madness. So if you want to continue a journey, or if you want to do a competition, a sock competition that's like a little bit less intense, let's say. Super Sock World Championship is very fun. It is patterned more closely to what Tour de Sock, was it Tour de Sock? Yeah, used to be. Consider joining, it's gonna be fun. I've been spinning a bunch. I've been plying the I think it was Deep Orchid was the color, or maybe it was Iris. I'd have to go back and look at the video. I've been plying the sweater yarn that I dyed close to a year ago now, maybe even a full year ago, and got all the single spun up, and then it sat in a cabinet for months, and I'm working on the plying right now, trying to get through that. I just have a bunch of stuff going. I was actually sitting in the front, looking out the front window with a cup of coffee and my knitting, and I saw my packages get delivered, so here we are. Oh, you might be wondering why I have two. If you're new here, I give one away. Paradise sends me one to open on the channel and share it with all of you, and then I give one away to give, like, for a giveaway for the following month. Let me grab last month. Okay, this is last month's, the February package. I will link the video to when I unboxed or unbagged this one, and I'll be giving this one away at the end of this video. So if you want to win the extra one of these, all you have to do is leave a comment on any video from this one until the next package shows up at my house. At the end of the opening video, I will give away the previous month's extra package. So I did see the email briefly. It kind of gives a spoiler, and I try to avoid the spoiler. Hang on, I need my scissors. Oh, Trish. I saw it for just a second. I will show you. This package has something, some kind of plant. I guess it kind of looks like lavender flowers. You know how the flowers come up from those kind of spikier leaves, and then they have this kind of shape to them. So maybe it's supposed to be a lavender flower. I cannot wait for those to be blooming, not gonna lie. So let's point you down here and we'll open it up. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna work on some towels this week, so just don't worry about those. We'll get to those. All right. Get my cards out. It says Tiptoe Through the Tulips, Paradise Fibers March 2023 Fiber Club newsletter. So here's the stuff that's in my bag. So let me put this right here so that I can see what I'm opening. Oh, 2 ounces of limited edition hand-dyed wool and mohair locks. Okay, that's not this. Here we go. So those, look at the, okay, let's open them. The reflection on the clear plastic bags always makes it so hard to see the color. I really don't want to cut it, but I guess I gotta. Hang on. So it's wool and mohair together, I guess. That's what it says, hand-dyed wool and mohair locks. We will be spinning these for sure. You guys know mohair is not my deal, but there's no reason why I can't use these. Okay, these came from Compass Moon Creations. So it looks like she dyed them. There is a whole thank you letter and a letter about the locks and her business and stuff like that. So on here, it's really pretty. So to me, don't laugh, I know someone else is gonna see it anyways. I see the Hulk when I see these colors together, but if you know me, you know I love purple and green together. They are a favorite for me. Well, they've been a favorite for me since high school. Let's just leave it at that. I don't need to tell the stories, but these could make some super cool art yarn. And there's a lot of colors to choose from in here. Okay. I've been thinking about doing something here with an art yarn, and this is probably my perfect opportunity to do that. So you guys know when I get an idea, as soon as I get the package open, that's always a good thing for me. 3 ounces of dyed Corriedale wool top in the shade Raven. I have some of this in my stash and I love it. It's very, very black. Not coarse at all. It's gonna make a really nice yarn, really pretty. And I mean, look at these together. If you use them together, these colors are literally just gonna pop out of that black. And I will show you what I mean in just a second. And then you get a little notions bag that has fun little gifties in it. So here we go. A Tulip vinyl sheep sticker. Oh. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear, but Alexa's giving me reminders upstairs. I'm supposed to listen to the daily mindset affirmation. So that is a Tulip sheep. A unicorn fiber rinse. I'm not sure what the rinse is actually for. Let's see if it tells me. Anti-static conditioning on fabrics and knitwear. So it sounds like it's kind of like when people say they put conditioner on their wool items. It says directions: hand wash, mix 1 tablespoon in clean rinse water. Oh, it does look like conditioner too. I really like getting these little samples in the bags because it gives you the chance to try stuff out with without committing. And then one of you told me that when you get these little samples, smaller samples of like wool wash and stuff, you put them in with hand knit wool gifts. And I was like, that's genius. So I have like a whole little container of them now to give away with gifts. A stitch marker. That's a cute little flower. Here, let me show you. That's a cute one. And it's really light. I like the light ones. Cute. And then a green and white fusion stash tea. So I guess it's green tea and white tea blended. Green teas blended white teas. Yes. John is our green tea drinker in the house, so I'm going to give this to him. So I love making bright colors pop against black yarns. I have some, I'm pretty, yep. I actually just gave a whole bunch of hand spun away, but this is kind of a sample of me doing that with Christmassy colors. So I'm gonna have to do some of this, I think. Don't get too excited, because if you have been around for a while, you know that I am like, I get excited and have an idea, but I also have 8 projects going, so I always feel like I need to clear the decks a little before I start the next thing. But it'll be pretty soon, I hope. Let's go pick a winner. So it was February 9th I unboxed the last one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we have to do lives as well. 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we have 10. We're gonna pick a video, 1 to 10. And we got number 8. So that was a live, and it is from, let's see, let me see which date, the 5th, March 5th. Okay, somebody is gonna have really good odds. So we just need to get a link, and then we go to randomcommentpicker.com. Nope, I don't do that. I don't exclude anybody. Oh my goodness, I didn't even know I could do that. Why would I do that? Okay, so here we go, ready? Crystal Burns, you win. So congratulations, Crystal. All you have to do is email me your snail mail address at fiberlovediary@gmail.com, and I will get it out in the mail to you. Thanks, Paradise, for this fun package. I think it's going to be really interesting to see what people create with it, and it gives us all a chance to do, well, maybe not all, but it gives a lot of us a chance to do things that maybe we wouldn't have done without getting our brains going and our creative juices going. So thank you so much. I will see you guys soon. I hope you have a great week, and see you Thursday with a video. Love you. Bye.